Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use legacy console mode on Windows PowerShell. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To use legacy mode on Windows PowerShell, open the PowerShell, in search type PowerShell. Right click on the PowerShell, click on Properties. Under Options tab, the last option is Use Legacy Console Required Relaunch and affect all console. This will affect all console. Look, I'm going to click on Use Legacy Console. Look, some options are hidden right now because you cannot use these options in Legacy Console. Now click on OK. Now you need to close PowerShell and open the PowerShell again. Look, this is the legacy console of Windows PowerShell. Now again I am going to open the properties and look here, terminal tab is not showing as because you cannot use terminal tab in legacy console and many features are not available here. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.